We're going to do the rear brakes on this Volvo. Take the wheel off here. Now we're going to go on the diagnostic. Okay, we're going to have to put our battery booster on there. Put our pack on to put the voltage up. And that's done. I'm going to switch the ignition off. Here on the back of the caliper you got a 13mm spanner. Try and hold that by finger, if not you'd have to get a something on there to hold it. Got the pliers on it there along those mold grips. And just undo the bolt. Get a pry bar or a screwdriver in here and just wiggle her out. And spray some WD-40 on the rubber around the piston so it don't split. And we get a wind back tool. Right, we managed to get the caliper pushed back in, the rest of it with the screwdriver. We should be able to do it like that normally, but it was a bit seized up. Get the bolt pads back in, we can slip the caliper back on, get the bolts back in. Wheel back on and the bolts. Now we start on the other side. Now the passenger side's done. Back inside. Don't want to start, just want to switch the ignition on. Now we can hear the calipers winding back into position. Not sure if you can hear it on the video. That's done.